Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the watch battery on your Timex Indiglo. This is going to work for battery types 377, 376. So if you have a different type of battery, make sure to check the rest of our videos because we have made a watch tutorial for most of Timex watch batteries. As you can see right here on the table, I have a brand new watch battery, a few watchmaker tools, and also if you want to start working on your watches, I would recommend going online and buying a watch press in order to press down the back of the watch in order to put it in its initial position. Also, I have a basic watchmaker toolkit. If you want to start working on your watches, you need to have the basic proper tools in order to open your watch, to adjust the watch bracelet, to open the backs of the watches. And here I also have a bunch of batteries. These will work for a lot of Timex watch models. These will go for the Timex Electric. Here we have the CR 2016, and here we also have the 377. So if you want to start working on your watches, I would recommend buying a few of those things. If you only want to replace this watch battery, make sure to order the right battery for your watch. So guys, I'm going to take the watch and also my case back opener, so the watch knife. We are going to turn the watch backwards, and on most Timex watches, especially on more modern ones, you will have a small arrow, as you can see right here, that points to the place where you actually need to open the back of the watch, because as you can see right here, we have a small place where we can actually place our watch knife in order to open the snap-off back. So I'm going to go at a very small angle, go underneath. We are going to use the case of the watch as a lever in order to push the back of the watch towards us. You are going to hear a small snap, and that means that the back of the watch is out. If you are new to the channel, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and also check out our two websites, watchesineurope.com for watch reviews and tutorials, and vintageradar.com for vintage and pre-owned watches. Here you can see the old battery. I'm going to remove it using a pair of tweezers. Make sure not to touch any of the other parts because you can actually damage the watch. So I have taken the watch battery out. Now if you take the watch battery, you can actually read that it writes 377 or 376. So this way you can actually figure out what kind of watch battery goes inside your Timex watch or any other watch. Now I'm going to take the new watch battery and place it in the exact same place. Once again, make sure to take your time, press it very gently. If you apply too much pressure, that means that you most likely are doing something wrong. Then we are going to take the back of the watch and place it in the exact position that we removed it. So just like this. As I mentioned, on this particular model, you can actually press the watch with your bare hands, but on other models, you actually need a watch press. And when you hear that powerful click, that means that the watch back has gone in its initial position. So now the snap-off back is attached to the case. As you can see, the watch started to tick and is in working condition. Let's also test the Indiglo function. As you can see, the Indiglo works perfectly. The button this time is between 7 and 8 o'clock, I believe. So that works as well. So guys, that was the video. This is how you replace the 377 or the 376 watch battery on your Timex Indiglo. Once again, make sure to order your proper tools, link in the description below in case you want to start working on your watches. Also, the right battery for your exact model. And if you enjoyed this type of videos, guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also check out our other videos because we have a bunch of watch tutorials and also watch restorations. I'm going to see you guys on the next video.